Samsung has done it with the Z Flip 4. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all are doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 was launched a week ago and now it is clear what we can expect from its battery. Since Z Flip 3 was not good at it, as we all know, Z Flip 4 is an incremental update over Z Flip 3, since Z Flip 3 last year was the most selling foldable. The owner of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 who wants to get a Z Flip 4, then you can trade off your Z Flip 3. Samsung is trading off your Z Flip 3 at $700 for 128 gigs of version, but if you own a 256 gigs version or bespoke edition, then there is a difference of $100 each. And if you pre-order Galaxy Z Flip 4, then you may get Samsung free credit, so you can also use that. Make your mind if you want to get Z Flip 4 or not, since 25th of August is the last date of pre-orders and after that you won't get any credit of Samsung. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Are you guys will go for a Z Flip 4 and did you guys own any of the device, either Z Flip 3 or Z Flip 4? Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is way ahead of Z Flip 3 league if we talk about the battery usage. Galaxy Z Flip 4 comes with a 3700 mAh battery, whereas Z Flip 3 comes with a 3300 mAh battery. Not a big difference here, but due to a new chipset on Z Flip 4, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 with 30% more power efficiency, we get some great results. Galaxy Z Flip 4 on a video playback work around 9.5 hours, whereas Z Flip 3 just dies within 7 hours. Whereas if you only do day-to-day usage like surfing the internet, then Z Flip 4 can go over 11 hours of screen on time, which is great, all thanks to bigger battery and new processor. But to my surprise, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 even surpassed the ultimate Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra with a 5000 mAh battery. Yes, Z Flip 4 gave over 9 hours of screen on time, whereas S22 Ultra just dies before the 9 hours mark, which is amazing since Samsung's proved it you don't need a bigger battery to last longer. You just need to optimize it, which we haven't seen on the S22 Ultra. The cameras on the Z Flip 4 are okay, works just like the last generation Z Flip 3, but with the new software features provide a better colors. Not a big update what we are expecting from it. Meanwhile, the hinge on the Z Flip 4 makes this phone more durable, and with the smaller hinge, the crease is slightly better on the Z Flip 4. From a Z Flip 3 to Z Flip 4, you guys won't see much difference except the battery, which is very much important. And if you are switching from S22 Ultra, then S Pen and cameras are the main key features you won't get on the Z Flip 4. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Are you guys will go for Z Flip 4 and did you guys own any of the device, either Z Flip 3 or Z Flip 4? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.